Hi, welcome to my art channel. I wanted to share a story from the first day of class from my art college. There were 5 of us in the class that time, and the professor, she came in and she checked if we have all our stationery and things that we needed for the class. And then she said, okay, I want all of you to take out your erasers and put it on the table. We did that, and then she said, okay, now take your sketchbooks, sketchpad, paper and pencils, go and stand outside the classroom, look at the surroundings and draw some sketches. Okay, but we didn't have the erasers, how could we draw? She said, okay, so this is the rule for this class. You can draw, you can redraw over those lines, you can make multiple sketches. There's nothing wrong or right, but you can't use erasers. You are not allowed to do that. So consider that you don't have an eraser. And that was the first day that I heard that, and I never looked back. Yes, we did use erasers, but for those daily sketches that we did, we never used erasers. And I can tell you from experience that that is something which helped a lot to get out of all kinds of fear and inhibitions that are there within you when you try to draw something and it's like, oh, I can't get it right. Oh, I need to erase it. I need to redo it. Believe me, the confidence that you gain after drawing without an eraser is completely different from what you get after erasing something again and again and again. All your lines are about your confidence. Your sketches are about your confidence. Believe it or not, it's more in the mind than you actually think. You can draw better than you think. Just don't use an eraser for a few sketches, maybe for a few days, for a few weeks. When you are doing your final drawings, yes, you will need to use erasers, but this is only for the quick sketches. Try it out and let me know if that works for you. It may be difficult in the beginning, but keep doing it. It's not just after 1 or 2 sketches that you should give up. Keep doing it and let me know in the comments, what do you think about it?